Okay, here we are. Vivian is going to pick the radishes that we planted 30 days ago. They're called German Giants. Let's see how it goes. Anything you'd like to say for yourself?
You have no contenders.
Okay, so Vivian has a row that she planted herself.
From the compost. Dad put them in the compost.
That's right. She saved the germinated seeds from the compost and grew them herself, and believes that she has the biggest radish of the bunch.
This radish grew off to the side.
That's still bigger than the biggest radish we've grown to this point from the previous rounds.
This one from the previous
Okay.
one.
This first row we know is looking a little pathetic.
Just take a moment to enjoy the radish field. The radish forest.
Oh, you got to hold them up after you pull them out so we can see them. Okay, we're getting a little bit bigger here. Is that a long skinny one? Yep.
Barely even a radish.
Wait, is there anything on that?
The weed.
Oh. Alright, you joker.
Weed.
Okay, you can eat that one. Okay. Getting a little bigger. So hopefully those are some spicy ones. Okay, this is the end of the first row. Alright, that's too high, too high.
We end it with a.
We end it with another dinky. Okay,
We
alright.
end it with a pink radish.
Pink radish, okay. Here we are. Now we should start seeing some.
Ow!
Gotcha.
These things are pointy.
Prickly leaves.
They're stems.
Well, you're going to get the last laugh. And then I get the lastest of the laughs. All right, look at that. That's a real radish right there. Okay, okay. Dig it.
You should mean you pull it.
I'll pull it. Except you pulling it. All right, what do we have here? Okay, decent, decent.
The bowl's almost halfway filled.
That's a bunch of bull.
Don't say that word.
Okay, decent. Hmm.
Pinky. Ooh,
Oh no, what happened? That one just split.
it cracked.
Couldn't handle the pressure.
Okay.
That one didn't split, did it?
No, it didn't.
Good.
I hope mine didn't split.
I'll be splitting that one with my teeth. Okay, row 3.
These things are getting bigger by the second.
You left the radish down there. Okay, not bad. We're getting closer to the one that I think is my contender.
Your contender's in this row.
Oh, okay. Well, I see a couple down that look like pretty good ones. Dang, another splitter. Okay, well, throw it in. We'll figure out what to do with it.
I think you radish that went off to the side.
Little side grower. This kind of twists like a tornado there at the bottom. Oh, look, okay, hold on. Let's see that. Put your hand out on the dirt next to it. Woo! That's a real radish. Okay. Dang, look at that. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that might have been your contender. I guess it was.
Hold it up. Let me see it. Okay, that's a good one. That one looks tasty. It's an SBT. Small but tasty.
This one won't come out.
It's a good sign.
Oh, we found a worm.
These were grown in the toilet paper rolls that Grandma and Grandpa sent up. Nice. Throw them back.
Look at how long the tapper is.
All right. Is this row 4? Is that what we're on?
Yeah.
All right, row 4.
No sneak peek.
Row 4 of 5.
Technically, it's row 4. Mine is just.
Yeah, 4 of 5.
Mine was a row that you didn't care about.
I'm going to care about it now. Woof, that's a good one. Hold it up, hold it up. That's a good one.
I'll give you the dead leaf. I don't think there's any more. By the end of this, we'll have a look.
Alright, that one's just a sweet one. Sweet little.
To be fair, he was behind. Why is it such a tiny radish and such a big plant?
That is, it's got huge leaves and no radish.
That's
Hmm.
This one I can believe is small.
Alright, the last one of row 4. Ooh, that's a chunker. Let's see it. Hold it. Okay, I'll take it. Alright, here's Vivian's row. The row that she salvaged. And this one, we believe, is going to be the champion. Oh wait, put your hand next to it on the ground first. Oh my gosh, it's a monster!
Now this is a German giant.
Jeez, that looks like a beet. Hold it up next to your face so we can see like how. Dang, that's a gigantic radish. Oh, let's hold it up. That's a good one too.
You gotta work on this one.
That was not bad. Oh, look at that. Solid. Oh my Lord. That one split?
Yeah, it did.
So huge. Oh my gosh. Lay that one next to the other big one. Let's see how we're doing here. Jeez. Okay, that's Vivian's row. Easily the biggest row. Excellent. High five, dirty hand. Very well done. Now let's take a real quick sneak peek at our little buddy here.
Our little buddy.
Our little buddy. Our little buddy, the tree frog.
You said tree frog?
He likes to hang out in our corn and eliminate insects.
And he looks plain creepy.
Plain creepy. Here's the bean pole coming along.
He wants his green wall this year.
That's right. I want my green wall. This is it. It's coming along. Bush beans on the right, pole beans on the left. We've already had lots of great beans off of it.
So basically, these are pole beans, bush beans, and bush beans. And then you got bare feet.
There's my gardener buddy.